Hello guys, good to see you back. Once again I'm back with a new tutorial related JavaScript, and in this tutorial we are going to learn JavaScript alert box. Basically we use alert box to display message, and also we can show different value in alert box. So without wasting your time, let's start the practical and see how we can use it. Here you can see side by side I open my Visual Studio Code editor and my browser using live server extension, and I already created a HTML document named index.html. So at first, inside the script tag, I'm going to type alert. And then we need to provide round braces. And here we can display any message. And also you can display any variable value. So inside the round braces, I'm going to type inside the double quotes, hello world. Then semicolon to end this line. So if I save this file, here you can see in my browser, it provided alert box and it print hello world. It's kind of pop-up box. And if I press OK, then it's remove our alert box. So if you want to show a message in a pop-up, in that case you can use alert box. So let's use the alert box with a condition. So here first I'm going to create two variables, var a assigned with 15, then semicolon to end this line. Then I'm going to duplicate this line and our next variable name is b, and b assigned with 20. And now I'm going to create a if condition. If inside the round braces a greater than b, then inside the curly braces, and then inside the curly braces I'm going to call alert box, alert. And here I'm going to pass a message. A is greater. Then semicolon to end the line. And next, I'm going to create the else part. Else, inside the curly braces, once again I'm going to call the alert box, alert. And I want to print b is greater. Then semicolon to end this line. So let's save the file and see what happened. So if I save this file, as you can see, it's written an alert box. And it's print b is greater. So if you want to show the message very urgently and with focus, in that case you can use alert box. And to remove alert box from our browser, we need to press OK. Not only that, also we can pass simple value in our alert box. So if I pass our variable a, and here I pass our variable b. And if I save this file, you can see the result, 20. It's written b value. I just want to show you can print any message, otherwise you can print any variable value. Also you can show concatenate value. Let me show you. So here I'm going to type inside the double quotes, value of b is, and now we need to use concatenate sign, plus sign. So if I save this file, as you can see, it's print value of b is 20. Not only that, also you can do any arithmetic calculation here. So let me show you. So here I'm going to create a new alert box. Alert, inside the round braces, I want to join a with b. Then semicolon to end this line. So if I save this file, as you can see, it's print 35. So I hope now it's clear for you what is alert box and how we can use it. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.